This 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Light LX2125BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Light LX2125BH is 4,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.